Is it good now?
Okay na.
Okay. Start na?
Yeah, start na.
Ready na?
Okay.
Okay. Welcome back to my channel, guys, and I have a guest for today. By the way, my babe just came home from work, and in today's video, I'm just gonna go ahead and challenge him to eat this vegetable, this mixed vegetable.
You know what it is?
Yeah, actually, guys, we have a recipe for this in Philippines. You know peanut bit? Yeah, you don't know that. I know, right? Yung peanut bit, guys, it's actually the same kind of mixture of vegetable in here. You see the squash. So let's go ahead and bring it up what's in here, and actually we bought this one. Yeah, we bought this from Sprout. And yeah, so the ingredients for this are the sweet potato, squash, taro, carrots, green beans, purple sweet potato, and the good thing, it's it's a non-hydrogenated canola oil. But the bad thing there is fructose, but it's not high, so let's give it a chance.
Fructose is just sugar from fruit.
Right. So, but it's not high fructose. Oh, what do they call that? High fructose. The
Fructose corn syrup.
It's the high fructose. Corn syrup is the
fructose
bad.
is just natural sugar in fruit.
Oh, see, I'm learning from my babe. That's him. So fructose, and then sea salt.
I just want to eat those. I've been wanting to eat those.
I know. He's been waiting to eat this, and I said, no, babe, because I need to do the vlog on that. Because open it. There you go. This is it. So anyway, okay. Yeah, that's how it is right now.
Okay, I'm gonna try.
What do you want to try?
I'm gonna try the green bean.
Green beans. Try to top it up.
Huh?
Try to top it up.
What do you mean top it up?
What do you call that?
I don't know.
I did that because I want to make sure.
Alright, I'm
that...
gonna try it, okay? Quit talking to me.
Oh,
It doesn't really taste like anything.
really? It doesn't taste like anything? What does it taste like? Oh, I didn't expect that. It's so crunchy.
Alright, let's try it.
This is the green beans.
What is this
and...
one? The taro? No, that's the purple, right?
I guess that's a sweet potato. Well, sweet potato is fine. But the beans, it's full of air.
It tastes the same.
But this one
This is a
actually
little bit sweet.
Oh yeah, because that's a sweet potato.
Yeah, but this tastes exactly the same as a green bean.
Yeah, it tastes sweet, guys.
I don't know. It's fine. I wouldn't pay $6 for it again.
Yeah, this is $6.
But it looks fun to try.
Yeah, I was just really amazed. I saw that, oh, it looks like peanut bit. So I
what
grabbed
other ones
it.
do we have?
I want you to try the squash or
Isn't that one
calabasa.
I just ate?
No, that's a different one. Calabasa. That is a squash.
Oh, this one's better.
Really?
It's a little bit salty.
You don't like this, right?
don't
I
know,
introduced
this
this one time to you and you said, I don't like those. You said
I
that.
like it this way.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, that one's the best one so
This
far.
is nice.
Did we try the orange one? That's a sweet potato?
This is carrots. Oh, give it a try.
Alright, just tastes like the green bean and the other one.
We have done with the
We
carrots.
got everything except for the taro.
This one, the purple one.
So sad it didn't turn into a halo halo.
Halo Ventures. I'm gonna try that.
This one tastes like nothing.
For me, it tastes like sweet potato.
This one? I don't taste anything. It's like crunchy air.
Yeah. How's the other one here?
I already tried that one.
I like the crunchiness of the carrots because it doesn't bother you so much in grinding it.
I'm trying to put green bean. These are the most fun.
Why?
It's like very crunchy, but it's like hollow inside.
Yeah, it's like air. Yeah.
I mean, none of them taste like anything. Except the one. That
Oh my god. Actually, do you think that this is worth the price?
No,
No?
absolutely not. I will never buy this again. It's worth about $2.
You gotta try that. That's a taro.
No.
No? You don't like it?
It tastes like the rest, like nothing. What was the one that was salty? Was it this one?
That's sweet.
Or was it the order was carrot? Yeah,
Okay.
it must have been this one that was salty, right?
Okay, that's the least expectation that I have in here.
The green beans are the most fun just because the texture
Mm-hmm.
is very crunchy and it's hollow. The rest of them all taste the same. They
All
don't
taste the
have
same?
any taste.
Come on. What about the sweet potato? No? We don't have the same taste. I would actually recommend this for someone who wanted to give it a try. Yuppers! What's up, everybody? Chiquita here, and today we are actually celebrating for the 242. Am I right? 242 annual celebration of July 4th. My baby's drunk.
No.
No, I don't have any other clothes that at least it gives resemblance to the flag of America. So I wear this red and my baby is wearing a blue one. Right? I'm honored that I'm here in this great nation. This is what I noticed, that like mas sineselebrate nila yung July 4th kaysa Christmas. That's what I noticed. But that's it for today, guys, and happy 4th of July to everyone. Babe.
That's my chica for today.
Happy 4th of July, babe.
Yeah, happy 4th of July.
You look so blue. That is from the color right there. Guys, if you can see right there, that's where the fireworks are, but we are far. Because last night, there was a big fireworks down here.